Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display you're getting an E61 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, the error is a failure of communication between the electronic control board and the heating element. So there's a couple things that you can do here. First of all, with these electronic things, you can always do a hard reset, which is turn it off, disconnect it from power for several minutes, restore power and see if it doesn't clear it out. The next thing you want to do, and you can go ahead and actually do this while you have it unplugged from, because you should do it while it's disconnected from power, is just to check the wiring between the control board and the heating element. And make sure that all of the wiring, there's nothing disconnected, damaged, loose, etc. And repair and replace anything as necessary. If everything looks good there, then what you're going to really need to do is just go ahead and replace the control board. And if you decide to do that, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the control board.